Okay, today we're taking a look at these two paddlebot robots. They're 3D printed. I'm going to do a second video on how to build and assemble them. Extremely easy build. Of course, you can make it as complicated as you want. You can add lights, you can add sound. In this case I did in both. This was the first one. It's prototype one. And they're going to operate on a single AA battery. And has a sound effect, mechanical sound effect, as they walk. And as you can see, it has a nice light effect in the chest. Again, those would be options. You wouldn't have to do any of that. This particular one, the sound effect is a good volume actually. Matches the toy quite well. That was an older greeting card sound device. It's about a 30-second record time. This one is got a greeting card sound recorder in it. That's good for about a minute, and it's not as loud. But as you can see, it's still there. And in this version, you can see that I went ahead and I've added some more body details to it. Added a speaker placement hole for the sound to get out. This one, the sound basically escapes out through the battery opening. And of course, a person could go even further with it. You could put lights behind the eyes and the ears and all of that. But there you have it. Like I say, the build video will be coming up. If you're interested in making a paddle robot,